Welcome to the Public Consultation Center for the Malden Road Transportation, Public Safety, and Urban Design Improvements Municipal Class Environmental Assessment Addendum. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief overview of the PCC. We strongly recommend you watch the full PCC presentation to understand the comprehensive MCEA process and the specific conditions which have led to the recommendations of this study. This presentation will be available on the town's website until Friday, February 5th, 2021. This study will assess the need for corridor improvements to Malden Road and County Road 3 from Todd Lane to the north to Megan Drive to the south. The purpose of this PCC is to review the 2009 Class EA study recommendations, review Municipal Class EA and Addendum requirements, analyze what has changed from 2009 to 2020 to determine if an addendum to the EA approved in 2009 is required, analyze existing and future traffic volumes and safety along the corridor, consider active transportation improvements, and present the preferred corridor design. In 2009, a Schedule C Municipal Class EA was completed by the Town of LaSalle and Essex County for the Malden Road and County Road 3 study area. Our study area for the addendum review process is consistent with 2009. The preferred design summarized in the environmental study report included widen Malden Road from 2 lanes to 5 lanes from just north of Todd Lane to Normandy Street, widen Malden Road to 3 lanes with 1 lane in each direction plus a continuous 2-way left turn lane from south of Normandy Street to south of Megan Drive, lane configuration improvements at intersections in the study area, optimize signal timings at all signalized intersections in the study area, implement sidewalk on the west side of Malden Road and multi-use path on the east side of Malden Road south of Cahill Drain. To date, the 5-lane widening of Malden Road north of Normandy Street has been completed. Other improvements recommended by the 2009 environmental study report have not been implemented. Based on the assessment of the changes between 2009 and 2020, the recommended alternative solutions from the 2009 environmental study report are still applicable today. These include widen Malden Road between Cahill Drain and Megan Drive to 3 lanes, signalize the Rayome Road intersection and protect for a future road extension to the east of Malden Road, realign and signalize Bouffard Road to eliminate the offset intersections and create a continuous east to west corridor across Malden Road, and adjust alignment at Laurier Drive and Laurier Parkway to improve operations and safety. In addition to the recommendations from the 2009 environmental study report, the current design also includes the implementation of pedestrian crosswalk and multi-use trails near the Cahill Drain to improve east to west connections and provide a safe alternate route for cyclists to loop around the commercial section of Malden Road between Normandy Street and Todd Lane. As previously noted, an addendum is only required if significant modifications are made to the environmental study report and its findings. Based on the review of information, the recommendations summarized in the 2009 environmental study report are still relevant. The previous recommended design identified property impacts to accommodate the improvements, and these impacts were reviewed and refined, increasing slightly in some areas. The intent of the 2009 EA remains the same, and no significant modifications to the project or changes to the environmental setting in the study area have been documented. As a result, an addendum to the environmental study report is not required. The focus of this study is to move forward the opportunity to connect cycling facilities along Malden Road and enhance pedestrian crossings. Of the 3 active transportation alternative solutions presented in this PCC, the most appropriate for this corridor was determined to be the on-road buffered bike lanes with separated sidewalks on Malden Road, from the Cahill Drain to the southern study limits. The preliminary designs of the proposed corridor improvements from south of Laurier Parkway to Morton Drive and Cahill Drain are available on the town's website for download to provide further detail. It is important to note that these drawings are at a preliminary level of design and will be further refined in the next phase of the project, where detailed design work will be completed. The drawings are separated into 4 segments in the presentation, including Malden Road South Limit, Malden Road at Bouffard Extension, Malden Road at Hollinger-Rayome Stewart, and Malden Road at Cahill Drain. In terms of next steps, the project team will review input received from this PCC, continue to consult with impacted property owners, commence property acquisition in 2021, begin detailed design of corridor improvements in 2021, commence construction in 2022, subject to funding and approvals. The town is excited about the improvements planned for Malden Road and looks forward to implementing these changes. We are also very interested in hearing your comments and understanding your concerns. We understand that impacts to property, street trees, construction noise, and traffic impacts during construction are concerns you may be thinking about. These concerns will be further addressed as the recommended plan gets further refined during detailed design. We will work with property owners to answer questions along the way. As mentioned earlier, we encourage you to watch the full PCC presentation for a comprehensive understanding of our decision-making process and recommended solutions. We also encourage you to submit any comments or questions to the project team by Friday, February 5th, 2021. Thank you for watching this video presentation and for your interest in the Malden Road Transportation, Public Safety, and Urban Design Improvements project. Your input is important to us.